I'll give you a real world use case where this is, I would say, very like वो एक पूरा इंडस्ट्री को खत्म कर रहा है. There's a
Which
particular
industry?
gap. So we have all these LLMs and stuff, right? Claude and all this जो भी
Yeah.
LLMs है. A problem that and we have been able to write code with Claude and ChatGPT and all these LLMs for a very long time now.
Yeah.
One of the most important problems that we had was when you give it a prompt to write a website, it will create from scratch. What if you already had a design for the website?
Yeah.
How do you get it from there to there?
Right.
So one of the ways was that you take a screenshot of the website and you upload it here. But then usme obviously like quality loss hota hai, obviously, right?
Yeah.
The proportions are mismatched, problem hota hai usme. So you cannot really feed a design into the AI. With MCP now you can, because
Acha.
Figma has their API, and I actually found an open source API that uses so open source एक MCP मुझे मिला, so that what it does is it basically takes the Figma API and enables or adds some functions so that the AI can use it. No, then
Yeah.
I imported Claude 3.7 into Cursor,
Okay.
MCP को लगाया यहाँ पे, and I was like, this is the Figma design, copy and paste डाला link को वहाँ पे, make it, enter, बना दिया.
Acha.
Right, and there was a couple of mistakes. जब mistakes वहाँ पे जो
And how was the output? Like, did
It
you
was- it was good.
did you not need to go back and
No.
forth?
No.
Okay.
It was done, like पूरा बना दिया. There were obviously some mistakes कहीं पे था, and the mistakes again coming from because of the context length. Like context length यानी कि like the AI has a limited length of
Yeah, tokens जो accept करता है
tokens
वो.
जो accept करता है, which means कि you can only give it context up to a particular point. If you're building a very long website, that's a problem, right?
Yeah.
So context length की वजह से there's sometimes errors happen. So what then you do is you just select that particular section on the website,
Yeah.
and you just tell ki this section that you coded is wrong. This is what it should look like. Enter, and it fixes it.
You know, there are two questions that are coming to my mind. Okay.
Yeah.
एक तो हो गया open source वाला.
Yeah.
I'll give you both the questions, नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा.
Sure.
So questions are, एक हो गया open source की with AI writing everything right now, in 5 years time, let's say not even 5 years, 10 years time, will open source cease to exist completely? That's my first question.
But I can give you some peace of mind, but then again it might be temporary.
Yeah.
Because there are certain limitations in AI itself.
Like
कुछ limitations है, and those limitations are actually मैं temporary इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because we already know the solution to the limitations, and that it just needs time to work on. You have a lot of people coming up with crazy ideas, like it's very smart but crazy ideas, but that corporations do not really come in. They're held by the rigidity of the bureaucracy that happens in the organization, right?
Yeah.
They cannot really explore new directions and paths. That is exactly where open source comes in,
yeah,
right? So
open source will keep rising.
I think open source will keep on rising, and we'll see more and more individual creator-led businesses like games in industries, animations and stuff. So that industry is gonna boom.